This is the kind of interaction Materia is about. Let's start with something very simple. In this example, I'm using Unity and interacting through Copilot inside Visual Studio Code. We'll begin with small, explicit actions, very direct. Create a cube. Move it up 1 unit on y-axis. Set its scale to 2 on all axes. Change its color to red. These are all valid actions, clear and specific, but this is still very close to scripting. We're describing individual steps. Now let's look at where this becomes more interesting. Let's ask the agent for something like this. 10 cubes, each one slightly bigger than the last, arranged in a spiral on the ground, with the color gradually shifting from blue to red. That's Materia.